Hello everyone, there is Strifer Broker, the broker who always pays. Today, traditionally, we are talking about the prospects of the market for the coming week. Don't forget to follow us, see the links under the videos, and receive bonuses up to 100% on your deposit. This market overview is not investment advice. One should do your own research before making a decision. Okay, now let's jump on the charts, and firstly we should say that this week can be said to be the last one in terms of trading activity. The Christmas and New Year holidays are ahead, and therefore volumes on the market will be certainly decrease. A number of important economic data and decisions are also expected this week, especially for Japan and the United States. And so the eurusd pair, for this currency pair, there was a recovery as we expected. Buyers failed to overcome resistance at the level of 1.09600, and the price, having formed a false breakout, is currently trading below this resistance area. We highlight two scenarios for this week. Most likely from the current prices, the instrument will begin to fall further. The target for this fall is the lower limit border of this support area, I mean level 1.08300 exactly. The second scenario assumes an unlikely growth towards the current resistance area, and maybe we touch another resistance area at the level 1.10365, which will most likely be followed by the same fall with the same target at the level 1.08300 exactly. The next one, the British pound, has exactly the same history. Here we have rebounded from the resistance level of 1.27850, and are also trading below this resistance area. The most likely scenario for this week is a fall from current prices, approximately. Less likely, and I should say more conservative scenario, is entering the market to sell after a retest of this resistance area. Some kind of manipulations we may expect here, and after this movement I expect the same fall with the same target at the level 1.25 exactly. For example, we may consider two scenarios at once: enter the market gradually, or so-called use dynamic method. I mean averaging your position. At the same time, do not forget to immediately calculate the overall stop loss for all positions in order to comply with all risk and money management options. The next one, Swiss franc. Here the price continues to be inside support area at the level of 0.86800 exactly, and most likely we should expect a recovery of the American dollar towards the next resistance area at the level 0.87719. A less likely scenario will be after approaching the support area at the level of 0.85810. We can also consider the growth target to the trend line, I mean this resistance trend line, and in this case the target for buyers will be located at the level 0.88120, and also we can we can look for the level 0.88 450. Australian dollar, we should say that this pair to surprise me, and together with New Zealand dollar looks quite confident for short-term growth, as you can see. However, I would not enter the market with great targets. Most likely at current levels, the price will rush to the upper limit resistance line. I mean level 0.6771, and after which a downward correction will begin with a target at the level 0.66630. It is unlikely that the price will make a deeper upward movement and then also go down to the indicated target. Therefore, we do not exclude this scenario. I mean the second scenario. The main scenario is number 1, and the second scenario, keep it in reserve. New Zealand dollar, everything is the same. Here, based on the results of the previous week, we have worked out the previous scenario perfectly, and now price trading at local highs. The main scenario for this week is a false movement at the level 0.62560 and a fall down to the support level of 0.61120. We can observe a very deep this downward movement in the Canadian dollar. Of course, such an aggressive approach to support at the level 1.33515 most likely tell us that the currency pair will soon recover. However, this will not happen if at balance, I mean current prices, if balance begins to form at current levels. Here we will have to look again at short deals, but for now, this is a buy priority, and here the levels 1.310 and 1.34990 are chosen as the targets. Japanese yen. Japanese yen continues to try to develop a downward trend, and I should say everything looks pretty good, especially for short-term seller. The fact that the price is fixed at current levels indicates the strength of the seller bearish mood, and most likely this retest, retest of the level, this support area at the level 141.947. This retest will lead to a fall to the next support area near the level 140 exactly. It is very unlikely that there will be growth, which in this case will last to the level of 144.620. And of course, metals. Today for gold, I also adhere to sell priority. The main entry scenario is around current levels. Also, the target for the fall is the level 2000 exactly, and the next target is level 1973. Also, a fallback scenario is a fall after a test of this resistance area near the level 2044, which will mostly be followed by a fall with the same target, with the same targets, 2000 exactly and 1973. The situation is absolutely the same with the silver. The entry point for selling is considering from the current prices, but we also keep in reserve a scenario with an attempt at slightly growth towards the level of approximately 24.273, and then a fall. In any case, the target for the fall is now located at the level of 23.31 and 8. So, friends, this is a market overview for this week. Thanks for your watching, and share your ideas. Stay with us, follow us, and remember, strive for always pays.